What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be covering some extremely bullish news for not only Kaspa, but the entire crypto market. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So we'll hop straight into the major news. Bitcoin jumps as GrayScale wins lawsuit against the SEC. And as you can see, a massive green candle. And at the end of the video, I will go deep into the charts, as I believe Kaspa may be about ready to explode. But anyways, what does GrayScale winning the lawsuit against the SEC have to do with crypto? So the DC court ruled that the SEC improperly rejected the Bitcoin spot ETF. So not only is this huge for GrayScale, but it's also huge for all of the other financial institutions. And I believe this will get us significantly closer to BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF getting accepted, which is the one I am personally most excited for. And what you guys have to understand is BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager. They are in charge of almost $10 trillion of funds. If they get their Bitcoin spot ETF approved, that will make it significantly easier for the average person to get into cryptocurrency, especially the older generations who have most of the money. In turn, that could skyrocket Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. In fact, there are analysts out there that have went on record saying that they believe this could drive Bitcoin up to about $180,000. Now, personally, I don't know if it will go quite that high, but I have also went on record saying that I believe this could be a catalyst that could potentially start an early bull market. That's how big this could be if the spot ETFs get approved. And this is certainly a step in the right direction. And if you go to Kaspa's Twitter page, they posted August 24th, ready to elevate your mining game, Hyvion unveils a new Kaspa mining pool, offering a low 1% pool fee. Expect no hidden charges and steady rewards. Be ready to redefine your Kaspa mining journey. So it's always great to see new integrations. Now, before I show you guys the charts, I'm going to first go over Kaspa's fundamentals and tokenomics for those of you guys that don't know. So Kaspa is currently trading at a price point of just under 3.5 cents. It has a market cap of 703 million, which according to CoinMarketCap ranks 209th among all cryptocurrencies. However, that is wrong, and most people believe it's wrong because it's not listed on Binance yet. But based on Kaspa's market cap, they should be ranked within the top 60 cryptocurrencies. They have a max supply of 28.7 billion with a circulating supply of 20.3 billion, which is about 71% in circulation. Now, Kaspa reached its all-time high 23 days ago at just over 5 cents and has retraced 33% since then. And that to me is one of the most impressive things about Kaspa. They reached their all-time high only 23 days ago during a bear market. And based on market cap, they are ranked within the top 60 cryptocurrencies. And they have never actually experienced a bull run. So I think this next bull run could potentially be huge for Kaspa. If you guys are looking to invest in Kaspa, I recommend using KuCoin, Gate.io, or MEXC. I believe those are the 3 easiest centralized exchanges to use. So what is Kaspa? Kaspa is a proof-of-work cryptocurrency which implements the GoStag protocol. Unlike traditional blockchains, GoStag does not orphan blocks created in parallel, rather allows them to coexist and orders them in consensus. The Kaspa blockchain is actually a block DAG. Now, the key takeaway from this is that Kaspa runs on proof-of-work. Most layer 1s these days run on proof-of-stake, where a validator's probability to confirm the next block is directly correlated to how many tokens they have staked, always making those projects more centralized. The rich are always going to have more power and more control. Proof-of-work has always been thought to be more decentralized. However, the problem is that nobody thought you could scale proof of work. However, due to Kaspa implementing the GoStag protocol, supposedly they have found a way to scale, which theoretically would make them the first ever project to solve the blockchain trilemma of scalability, decentralization, and security, which could be enormous for the crypto space. And essentially, Kaspa's main aim is to be a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, similar to what Bitcoin was supposed to be. However, due to Bitcoin's extremely scarce supply at only 21 million, nobody actually wants to spend their Bitcoin. It's essentially treated like digital gold, whereas Kaspa aims to be more like digital silver. And if you look back in history, silver has always been a better form of currency. Yes, it's true, gold has always been more valuable, it's always been more rare, but that doesn't work better as a currency. Kaspa being a lot more abundant, people aren't scared to actually spend it. Now, the founder of Kaspa is Jonathan Sompolinski, who is a postdoc CS at Harvard University on the MEV research team. And my personal favorite part is that his 2013 paper on the Ghost protocol is cited in Ethereum's white paper, the number 2 largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum. Vitalik himself has complimented the GoStag protocol. And at this current moment, the crypto market is heavily driven based on hype and speculation. And this is a potential narrative that I believe can garner a lot of hype next bull run, which in turn could be great for the investors. And it also is going to give Kaspa credibility that most projects do not have. Now for the final part of this video, we'll get into a little bit of technical analysis. So I just want to start off by saying it is an amazing feeling when your technical analysis actually plays out to a T. So back in July, I had initially drawn Kaspa in a symmetrical triangle, which is a 50-50 pattern. However, due to the extremely oversold stochastics and the oversold RSI, I believe it had a great chance to break up. And here's the proof right here. I posted this video back in July. Price was trading at 2.5 cents. Now, had you guys taken this trade and sold near the top, you guys could have made almost 100% gains in just 1 month. Now, what's crazy about that is in crypto, that doesn't actually seem like a crazy amount. But if you actually think about it, this was during a bear market, and the average return on the stock market is about 10% in a year. That would mean that we made in 1 month what the stock market makes in 10 years. Those are incredible gains. And if you guys enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. I have made many calls during this bear market, and I will continue making calls on projects that I believe could be profitable in the future, so stay tuned. So as for what I'm seeing right now on Kaspa's daily, the stochastics and the RSI are both getting extremely oversold, and if you look at price action, it swings from a lower low to a higher low. If you look at the RSI, it swings from a higher low to a lower low. That is Class A bullish divergence. Typically that signals a local bottom has been reached. On top of that, you could also argue that Kaspa is trading in a falling wedge, which break up 68% of the time, and it has a measured move to right around 5 cents. Now, measured moves do not always play out, but personally, this is a trade I will be taking. It fits my trade style perfectly, but obviously that's not financial advice. Do what's best for you. And at the same time, you need to understand that Kaspa and most other crypto projects are tied to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin rises, most will rise. If Bitcoin falls, most will fall. That being said, I want to show you guys Bitcoin on the daily time frame. So in my previous videos, I've been talking about how Bitcoin is being extremely indecisive. There were very bullish signs and very bearish signs. The bullish indicators, for example, were extremely oversold stochastics and an extremely oversold RSI, and then two major bullish divergences. Price action swings from a lower low to a higher low, and a lower low to a higher low. The RSI swings from a higher low to a lower low, and a higher low to a lower low. Both of those are Class A bullish divergence, which typically signals a local bottom had been reached. So I figured there was a decent chance Bitcoin would get a bounce up. However, I was also warning that Bitcoin was trading beneath all of the moving averages. And on top of that, we were about to have another death cross where the 21-day would break beneath the 200-day moving average. Both of those are typically very bearish indicators. But as I warn in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. And in this case, GrayScale just won its lawsuit against the SEC. So this is a perfect example of Bitcoin just ignoring technical analysis and acting based on macro events. So right now, what I am looking for is for Bitcoin's price action to close a candle above the 21-day and the 200-day moving average. Personally, I will not be bullish until that happens. But honestly, what I recommend doing is just have a long-term outlook on crypto. Assuming you believe in crypto long-term, just dollar cost average in. Never go all in at once. And always keep your eyes on the macro events. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Kaspa could go next bull run? If you guys found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.